Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K drones with camera for adults. 3-axis Gimbal GPS Quadcopter with 2 kilometers FPV Transmission Range. 28 minutes flight, Brushless Motor, auto return, portable carry case, and 32 GB SD card. Hi, welcome my friend. Capture impressive moments. With the help of the 3-axis mechanical gimbal and 1/3 inch Sony CMOS sensor, Potensic Dreamer Pro will allow you to record 16 megapixel photo and provide 4K/30 FPS video. The dedicated 3-axis gimbal camera ensures steady aerial capturing so you can home in on whatever you are filming from high in the sky. The video transmission distance of up to 2 kilometers and can also deliver high resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. Adopt the latest Qualcomm technology. Simply connect the phone device to the remote control with a USB cable to get a control range of up to 2 kilometers. It gives pilots endless possibilities. It broadcasts on 5.8 GHz for better Wi-Fi image reliability. Besides, equipped with the powerful brushless motor, enable this 4K drone to work at temperatures of 0 to 40 degrees and can withstand different weather conditions within gentle breeze. The new function of DIY circle flight allows you to DIY set the drone circle direction, speed 1 to 5 meters per second, and radius 10 to 50 meters. Get ready for the simplest and most intuitive flying experience. It features an aluminum carrying case, a 32 GB micro SD card, a smart battery, 3 USB cables, 1 remote control, and propeller. With the extended carrying case, you won't be missing anything. Note, only one PC remote control is included. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.